We have an inside rear view mirror that has fallen off, and so we are going to go ahead and go through the procedure of replacing this. Now the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take a crayon or a Sharpie and we're going to mark around this area where the mirror came from. So this button has just a little bend in it right here at the very end of it. Not sure exactly what happened, but I am going to take a file and I'm going to get that nice and flat, and then I'm probably going to run the file across this button just to make sure that it's nice and clean. We are going to use this Permatex rear view mirror adhesive. It comes with a activator cleaning pad as well as the glue to mount the button to the windshield. Next, we are going to clean the windshield and the button with the cleaner activator. Now, once we have applied this stuff, we don't want to touch that. And we're going to let that set for just about 1 minute. Now we are going to apply 1 drop of this glue to this button. We are going to carefully set it up here and line it up. And then we are going to just hold this in place for a second. Now we're going to go ahead and let this button set up for a little while, and then we will attach our mirror to it. Thanks for spending a little time with us here in the Man Cave. Appreciate you watching our videos. Please hit the like or subscribe buttons and also leave comments. I will try and respond to your comments, and leave me ideas for videos and I will try and make them happen.